Hello and welcome back. I wanted to do a quick installation video for these Puddle lights from Test Studio. You'll notice that one of these is different. It's because I've already taken this out of the door of my Model 3 and installed one of the animated lights from Test Studio. And then, of course, after doing it, I shot the video of what that animation looks like. But I thought, well, I didn't really shoot how to install these. And while I do have other Puddle lights, for example, on my Cybertruck that I've installed, and I do have a separate article for that, which I will link, and you can see how to install it. It's pretty much the same procedure, whether you're installing it in a Model 3 or whether you're doing it in a Cybertruck. So let me just open the door and show you real quick. Obviously, it's maybe a little bright in the garage, but you can see the animation where it goes from Tesla to the other one, to the other logo. And that's done here underneath the bottom of the door. You can see the two lenses that are on the light from Test Studio here. And it's alternating between those two different lenses. So that is how it animates. Now, to actually take this out, it's pretty simple. I just get one of these plastic wedge tools and wedge it in underneath the light and pop that baby out. So here we go. I can just probably pull that out slightly here. Grab it. It's a little bit of a tight fit in this door, which, hey, that's good. You don't want it to be super loose. Probably would help if I use the wedge tool on the other side. There we go. And pop that out. So when it comes down, you'll see that, it has the wire that clips in here. Right there we go. It's kind of a angled clip from Tesla, and you just simply push down on the tab and separate these two wires. I would have been taking out the old light and then, of course, attaching this new one. So you can see, I'll come back over here. This old light that I took out has the same sort of connector on it for the wire in the back. So I simply disconnected that from here. Now the light from Test Studio has a little bit of an extension cord on it here, so I've got a little more room, which is nice because the other ones, I was kind of fighting right up against the right up against the hole here for where it inserts in the bottom of the door, and that's not a lot of fun. So anyway, once you've connected the wire, real simple, just to take this and push the wire back up inside. Sorry, I turned on my light there for a second, and then just simply pop that into place. So there it is in the bottom of the door, popped into place, and of course it is showing the patterns, the two different patterns again that it's turning on and off for this animation. So I'd like to thank Test Studio for sending these. Obviously, I've got 3 more doors on the Model 3 to go to swap out those lights, and then I will have animations across all of them. And stay tuned for the next part of the video where I show you that animation at nighttime. This is Tesla Ken for the HaloCybertruck.com website. Stay tuned. Okay, let's film what these Puddle lights look like. All right, so we have kind of like the T there for Tesla, and then it changes into the word Tesla, and then I'm assuming it's going to change back into the T. So it's 2 separate images that kind of overlay each other, going back and forth, therefore to kind of animate it. So there you go.